Paul Wilson from Scorpion Vision is a really visionary, forward-thinking entrepreneur. He's had an extremely varied career journey, and he took a massive leap when he was quite young, had a young family, into a new industry and started a new business.
I chuckle because when I started the business, we were taking no risks. I was just trying to follow a sort of a heading. What I found was that we sort of stood still quite a lot. It's frustrating because we'd follow what I thought was standard business convention, following the rules, not taking too many chances, working hard, but we weren't really moving ourselves forward. It's only when we started to actually speculate a little bit and do take some risk that we actually started to make some headway.
You brought up something kind of interesting that I've thought about in the past. What do you think generally of automation system? Do you think it's taking away people's jobs, or what's your view on that?
You need to automate. Certainly in mass production, if we're going to feed the population, an ever-growing population, we have to automate. There aren't enough people going around to actually run these factories. If you look at it from a factory owner's perspective, a manufacturer's perspective, you need to be running a lean manufacturing environment that doesn't rely on too many people. And machine vision doesn't just help that, but it also improves quality control. I hated school. I don't think I'm stupid, but I certainly felt stupid at school. I now know that if I had a diagnosis, I'd be diagnosed with ADHD.
Catch a full episode this Tuesday on YouTube, Apple Podcasts and Spotify. See you then.